Yo, what's up, guys? It's been a minute. So glad to be back with you today, man. It is a beautiful day. It's been a beautiful day. It's been a little cool. Mornings have been, man, like 40 degrees, which is really nice. Afternoons warm up to, man, 60s and 70s. So, man, this is perfect riding weather. But it's been crazy busy, man. I've been crazy busy. Haven't had much time to do much of anything. But because of work, but I'm here today, guys, and I'm so happy to be here with you guys. I got something to show you, a couple things I'm going to show you that I'm about to get into, but let me show you what I got so far for today. Anyway, check this out, guys. Here's what I got. I've got, I don't know if you can see that right there, but I've got some parts from OG Moto Original Garage, man. I've got this shift linkage right here in gold, and I've also got a little shift lever, you guys. That's what I'm working on right now. I'm gonna get to getting those things put on Zeke. As I've mentioned before in some of the other videos, is I'm really kind of playing with a color palette for Zeke here. And originally, man, I've gone with some bronze parts, as you can see right here. This is the bronze Harley mirrors. You know, this is one of the first things I bought here. And of course, with that collection, that Harley collection, got the shift peg there. And but as I've kind of been working on it, man, not all bronzes are the same, you know. So if you get bronze from one company, it really doesn't match a bronze from another company. I've got and it's, I don't know, it's in a drawer somewhere, but I got a little seat bolt from OG Garage in bronze, and it's a totally different color from the Harley bronze, right? And OG's got their own bronze, and it looks nice, but honestly, guys, it looks brown. It just looks like a shiny brown, and I'm not trying to go brown on my bike. I want a goldish color, so I'm kind of pivoting here for a little bit and trying out some different color color options. So what I got from OG Moto was I got the gold plate. OG Moto's got two different types of gold. They got just a regular gold, which is more of a yellowish kind of matte color, and then they've got what I bought, and then this is like a gold plate, and it's a little more shiny. You know, it looks like a gold plated, you know, shift lever there. Or anyway, but so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to replace my current shift linkage, which, as you can see, is just the original stock Harley Davidson stainless steel here, or aluminum. I don't know what this is here, but, and then I'm going to replace, of course, my my shifter peg, so to match, and I'll kind of live with that for a little bit and see how I feel about it. I've already got, I think I showed you this before, but I've already got here the seat bolt, which is also gold plated, so it'll match the other two parts that I have. And I don't know, we'll see what it looks like. We'll see how I feel with it. We'll see what I think. I might change my mind again, because I tend to do that a lot when it comes to parts on my bike. But that's kind of what I'm doing today. So I'm gonna put these two parts on, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like here in just a little bit. All right, so stick around. I'll be right back. Alright, so we've got it out of the shop, you guys. It's been a couple days since I did the install. Man, I told you it's been busy, but today is Friday. At least when I'm recording this, it is Friday. It is my day off. So, man, I haven't even had a chance to take the bike out for a spin to see what I think. But the install's done. It was pretty easy. and I think it looks pretty good. You want to see it? Yeah, check it out. So like I said, man, pretty simple install. There's one bolt for the shifter peg. There's two bolts for the shift linkage. One of the bolts has a nut on the back, but pretty simple install, man. Take the old ones off, put the new ones on, and what's left to do now, again, like I said, is take it for a ride, give it a little test drive, make sure it shifts through all the gears pretty well, make sure everything's good and lubricated and all that kind of stuff, and also to check to see if I need to adjust anything, because you can also adjust the height of your shift lever, you know, higher or lower depending on how you like it, how big your foot is, all that kind of stuff. But anyway, yeah, that's what we're going to do right now. So we'll take it out for a ride. I'm going to take you with me, and we'll see how it feels. This feels good, guys. I haven't been on this bike in a few days. I think it's been at least a week since I've actually been on the road. Like I said, work's just been busy. But anyway, man, feels good. Feels good. Watch the traffic. Watch the traffic. Yeah, so here we are, just going to give this a quick little ride, ride around the block, as you would say. We are testing out OG Moto shift linkage and shift peg, which I just installed. So this is first ride, first thoughts, first reaction. While I'm out here today, I'm also testing audio on my mic placement for my GoPro. You probably noticed that I've got a lot of popping from the mic, a lot of audio popping, and I think from my research and just from my own observations, I think it's because the gain is too high on the mic, and there's no gain setting on the GoPro. It's got an audio setting where you can do a powered mic. Maybe I need to try that setting. I don't know. Maybe that brings the gain down a little bit. But that's about it. So I think it's because the gain setting is high. But anyway, all that to say, man, every time I record from my helmet, from the GoPro, it's man, I get a lot of popping, I get a lot of audio. I guess it's overdrive, you know, so it makes the mic pop. But I'm trying to fix that. So what I did right now, what you're going to hear today, I hope, unless it's just horrible, then you won't hear any of this. But what I did is I placed the mic on the side of the helmet, underneath the cheek cushions, right? Which, as before, I had the mic placed up front, pretty much right in front of my lips, you know, just because that's what was recommended by the videos I watch, is you place the mic right in front of your lips, the front of the helmet. And I did that, and man, it was too much. So what I'm doing today is I moved it over to the side, underneath the cheek padding, so maybe it'll cut down some of the gain and some of the stuff that it picks up, and hopefully you can hear my voice, you know, at least well enough until I figure something else out. I've been watching videos and seeing what other people did to kind of solve the issue. And a few of them said buy a low gain mic off of Amazon, a really low gain mic. They say that fixed it for them. Other people went through some GoPro settings that they said fixed it for them, which I've tried, and it hasn't fixed it at all. It sounds the exact same. So now I'm kind of just working with placement and hoping maybe I gotta make a little progress here. The other option, the other recommendation that I've gotten from a lot of videos is, man, just do away with the GoPro and get a DJI or get a one of the other mics or one of the other action cameras. A lot of people have recommended getting the DJI microphone, the wireless mic. But then you got to sync your audio up at the end, you know, with when you're doing the editing, which, you know, it's extra. It's an extra step from what I'm doing now, but it's probably not that big a deal if it makes the audio sound better. So might be something I'm looking into. If you have any thoughts, man, if you have any recommendations or advice for me, let me know. Whether it's settings in the GoPro or mic placement or just something that worked for you. But I'm trying to fix the mic popping issue that I keep getting and haven't seemed to have been able to figure out yet. So that's part 2 of what I'm doing today. Is I'm testing mic placement on top of testing the OG Moto parts that I just installed. And I got to tell you guys, so far, man, so far the shifting feels real good. I feel like Ricky Bobby on Talladega Nights when he ran that first race and they gave him that interview. You remember that? You ever seen that movie? He's like, yeah, car ran real good and did a good job, and because the car ran good. And so I kind of feel like that right now. Like, it feels really good. We did a good job on the install, and yeah, it just feels really good today, and it feels really good. Oh man. But he's out today at the park, but he's walking around. He's seen a little guy on a scooter, motorized scooter just now. Guys, it is a beautiful day, man. Beautiful day to be on a bike. All right, you guys, so been around town for a little bit, man. Put a few miles on it this morning. And yeah, man, it feels really good. Feels really good. I've been up and down the gears, up shifting, down shifting, in town, on the highway. So far, man, no issues. Nothing's getting stuck. Install was clean and simple, like I said, and so far everything's working well, man. It doesn't feel like anything's binding up. So far so good. Like I said, guys, OG Moto parts here. I got the gold plate, and I just wanted to mention this, you know, right out of the box. It just feels really nice. You know, sometimes you get those Amazon things or whatever, you know, those Temu things, and man, it feels like the box is empty. But man, this has got some weight to it. It's got some quality to it. You know what I mean? Like, it feels like really good quality components. So here right now today, like I said, this is first ride. This is first ride, guys, so I haven't put a whole bunch of miles on it. This is just first reaction, first thoughts. As I continue to put miles on this bike, I got some trips planned and coming up. As always, I'll be honest, man. I'll give you the truth and how I feel and what I think. But right now, man, 5 out of 5 for looks, 5 out of 5 for feel and quality, and we'll see how it does with longevity. So first ride impressions, man, 2 thumbs up. Not bad for a morning ride. Man, I appreciate you guys coming out with me this morning. I was excited when I got the box in the mail. I was excited for the install, and so far, like I said, parts look good on the bike. I'm really enjoying them. They feel good so far. So OG Moto, man, 2 thumbs up for you guys. Appreciate you making the parts, and I look forward to getting some more parts from you guys. So we'll match it up on the other side, maybe with an adjustable brake arm and a brake pad to match the gold plate that I got on this side. That's the plan anyway. but I'll keep you guys informed. So anyway, OG Moto, good job guys. I'm enjoying them so far, and I'll keep you updated as I go along. As always guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna tell you what I think. If something's not right, I'm gonna let you know that too. But so far right now, I'm pretty happy with what I got. So looking forward to getting more in the future. Until then, you guys, I got some rides planned. I got at least 2 rides planned to do before the end of the year. And as always guys, I'm gonna do my best to take you with me, bring you along, and share those moments with you. It's gonna be a fun time. At least I think so, but I'll keep you informed on that, and I'll keep you updated, and I look forward to getting some more miles on the road. But anyway, guys, for today, thank you so much for hanging out with me, for joining me, and thank you for letting me hang out with you, man. Whatever it is you're doing today, thank you for bringing me along, and again, I appreciate you coming along with me. That'll be it till the next one, guys. Remember, wherever you go, there you are. Make the most of it. We'll see y'all.